In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page size in WPS Office. Adjusting the page size is an important step when you are preparing documents for printing, sharing, or submitting for school or work. Using the correct paper size helps make sure your content is properly aligned and formatted, and it also prevents unexpected layout issues later on. The good news is that changing the page size in WPS Office Writer is simple and only takes a few moments. To get started, open the document where you want to change the page size. Once the file is open, look at the top menu and click on the Page Layout tab. This section contains all the tools related to how your document looks on the page, including margins, orientation, and size. Under the Page Layout tab, find the option labeled Size. This is where all page size settings are located. Click on the Size drop-down menu, and you will see a list of different paper size options. These usually include common formats such as A4, letter, legal, and other standard sizes. When you see a highlighted paper icon next to one of the options, that means it is the current page size being used in your document. You can also view the dimensions of each size, which helps if you need to match specific requirements. To change the page size, simply click on the size you want to use. As soon as you select it, the page size of your document will update automatically. This change applies to the entire document, allowing you to immediately see how your content adjusts to the new layout. If you need a custom page size, you can do that as well. From the same Size menu, click on More Paper Sizes. This will open a new window where you can create a custom layout. Under the paper size settings, choose the Custom option. Here, you can manually enter the width and height of the page. Before applying the changes, make sure the correct measurement units are selected so your dimensions are accurate. After entering the values, choose the option to apply the changes to the whole document, then click OK. Your document will now use the custom page size you specified. Once everything looks correct, you can continue editing or save your document with confidence. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.